Alrighty. Hello, guys. Just kidding. Sorry.
You gotta drag it out more. It's hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys. It's Allanna here, and today I've got my sister. Ow, I just whacked my head on your head.
That hurt.
Okay, I've got my sister here. She is going to pick my outfits. So I thought this would be something interesting to do because obviously everybody, when it comes to fashion and style, has their own unique style. Like, you would obviously probably say your style is a lot different than mine.
Yeah, I agree. It's definitely not the same. It's cute, but it's just not for me. And I think everybody feels that way about, you know, their decisions on clothes and pieces compared to somebody else.
Yeah, and that was one of the things we were talking about, like, when it came to, like, doing this video. So what she's gonna do is she's going to pick outfits, like, literally make whatever outfit you want out of the clothes in my closet.
I'm excited.
I'm kind of scared.
It'll be good. It'll be good and it'll be fun, I promise.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good way to kind of, like, open my eyes to see, like, other clothing combinations that, even though it's all, like, my clothes in my closet, there's obviously probably some combinations that she might pair together that I probably never would have even thought of, just because that might be more of her style but not mine. But it's kind of just like a good, like, learning experience and, like, okay, let me broaden my horizons.
Even if, you know, you have the same outfit, how you put it on or what you accessorize compared to somebody else at the same exact, it's never gonna be the exact same.
Exactly. So that's why for this, you can go through anything, like, in my closet. I've got clothes, like, in my drawers and stuff, so you can pick like everything. If you want to accessorize it, like, I've got my jewelry, my purses.
I'm excited.
Like, if there's some, like, hair thing, like, I have bandanas and stuff, you want to go, you go through my stuff. Oh, my room's gonna be such a mess after this, but it's okay. But anything you want, okay? So, you ready?
I am.
Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So the way we're gonna do this is she's gonna be picking out 3 different outfits. The first one is going to be an everyday outfit, and since she is the one picking out the outfits, it's like these outfits are gonna be like what it means to her. And the second one is going to be a fancy / night out outfit, and then the third one is gonna be a surprise. Like, she can make it whatever she wants it to be. And then I'm also not gonna know what she's picking or what the outfits look like until she comes and puts them here on the rack. And then after that, we'll reveal the outfits. So I'm just gonna chill here while she goes and picks out my outfits.
I am currently here in Allanna's closet. Tons of cute things. I'm super excited. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is the everyday outfit.
Okay, so I'm really trying not to look. She's, like, hanging all of the clothes right here on the rack, so I'm trying not to look. So that way I can kind of, like, get my reaction when she's done with all of them. But as of right now, I'm just kind of chilling with my coffee. I'm, like, so excited. I was so nervous.
Okay, next we're going to be moving on to the going out outfit. For me, I always like to add color patterns, so something like this, it's bright, it's colorful, it's definitely going to draw attention, but it's not bright or over the top. Usually it depends, of course, on the weather, but I love prints like leopard or zebra. I know lately it's snakeskin is in, so snakeskin, so something like this would also be a wonderful add to your outfit as well. Always makes it pop.
Wait, so which outfits do you have so far?
I have the everyday going out, and then I'm going to be doing a surprise, but I'm still working on the going out one.
Okay.
So we are down to the last outfit, which is going to be like a surprise. Right now I'm looking at some shoe options. So usually for me, I either wear boots, sandals, or heels. Hardly ever in my closet will you find tennis shoes, just not been the athletic ones, so that's hardly going to be in my closet. And you can see she loves Michael Kors. I love their stuff. It's super cute, very, very sophisticated ordeal. Other than that, I think we got our outfit, so I'm excited to see how she puts them on, her opinions, and what you guys think.
Are you done? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so she's done. She picked out all the outfits. So I guess now it's like a kid-friendly look. You wanna come over here and like explain through the outfits? Okay. So, can I look?
You can look.
Okay. Okay. I see some like, I wasn't expecting this shirt. Let's see. Okay, I see some basics and some, oh, I'm seeing the shoes too. Okay, I'm so like interested in what's gonna happen here. Okay.
Okay, so this is gonna be the comfy everyday outfit. It's got long sleeve, perfect for if your house is cold. Mine is always an ice box, so this is a go-to, and of course it's Ariana Grande. How can you not have this in your closet? I like her music. It's not my usual genre, but I can definitely see this.
It's like a good like jam. I got this at her concert, so.
See, that's even better. It's a memory and it's comfort. So I usually have this. Hardly ever will I be in pants, so as you can see we got some cute biker shorts. I love the pattern, and the reason I picked this is because not only can it be comfort if you're doing like cleaning or anything like that, so you would have slip-ons, but if you're gonna step out and you gotta run some errands real quick, go to the grocery store and you want to be cute, we have a different option for shoes, which is going to be these beautiful white heeled booties. I think they're going to add a little bit of cute snap to it, as well as the heel is not ridiculous, so we're not, you know, going over the top with the heel at HEB or the
like
gas
Walmart.
station, you know, Walmart or gas stations. You don't want to look a little ridiculous.
I mean, hey, at the same time, if you want to go that all out, I guess go ahead.
Or as we say in Texas, go big or go home. So that's pretty much it to this look. If you want to add accessories, she did. It's very minimum. It's, you know, a small hoop. It goes with everything, and it's comfort. It's not dragging weight to your ear.
I like this one, and I would say that this one's probably like a good representation, or like the closest to like my style too. Because like if I were to have a comfy outfit, I would. I've never actually worn these out of the house, but
I wear mine out all the time. In fact, I'm actually wearing some right now. So
they're the like Japanese sandals, but from Hawaii. But yeah, this is like a good comfy one. I am like obsessed with biker shorts. I have a lot of pairs of them. I wish I had more, but they're really comfy.
Now, what do you think on the twist on the outfit if like paired with these?
I like that. I like it with those. Because I think it's a cute like extra touch, and it dresses it up just like the tiniest bit.
But it's not over the top.
Honestly, with the heels, I would say it's that like athleisure wear.
Yeah, it's like the street wear. You pair it like a tracksuit with some heels, and you know, it's cute and it's comfortable at the same time.
Yeah, and I feel like right now this is a very trendy in way that people are just dressing like this right now, because a lot of people aren't even like having to go to work and all that, so it's comfy. And it's
or
great.
like me, they work from home, so it works. Okay, so this is the going out outfit. It's colorful, it's got print. It's definitely a pop compared to an everyday look. As you can see, mine is more of the vintage boho western wear type style.
That's what I was gonna say. I get like a very like that western but boho. Like,
yeah, it's a very
vibe.
versatile between the two genres. It's cute, it's comfortable, but it has an old school feel, and that's usually what I go for when I go out. When you go out, you want to, you know, feel that confidence, feel fierce in what you're wearing.
I feel like the way I've noticed the way you do that is like your way of saying that is through colors.
Yes, when you go out, you wanna have that pop. That pop doesn't have to be over the top. It can just be, you know, from either a pattern, like something small in the shoe or in a hat, or even just a dress. If, you know, you're gonna wear a black hat, you want to wear like a color of yellow or anything for pop, and it doesn't have to be over the top.
Yeah, this is definitely like very colorful for me.
Yeah, but you know, I think to me when you have color, at least a pop of color tied with a pattern, it builds that confidence.
Yeah, and yeah, I would say like for you, like I've noticed like for your style, that's how you go. Like for me, like if I were to wear this dress, I would probably wear it with like, I don't know, I would like the rest of it would be very neutral and muted, whereas
Or
like
nude heels.
yeah, like I would
curls.
kind of like balance it. Yeah, and I feel like I go for more of like the dainty look with it. And this is like very just like colorful. This is like olive green and like a orange. Like obviously I like this stuff because I mean I have it in my closet, but I just
never would have thought to picture it and style it that way.
Yeah, like this combination.
So low-key question, if you were given the choice to have to change out of your box and you had to go out like that right now, would you wear it? Or give it a try?
I would give it a try. I could see myself wearing this dress like with these boots. I feel like the hat is something like I think I've only ever worn this hat
out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, because I think when I got this hat, it was like a very like just kind of spontaneous thing, and I think I've only ever actually worn this hat like once. But so this would be like the more like try to get out of the comfort zone part of it. This is like a very like summery type of like outfit, yeah. Which I don't know, like I would describe it as it's kind of like that Western boho colorful summer outfit.
Yeah,
feel like that's a whole
definitely,
bunch
especially
of,
in
like, words.
Western wear with boots because, you know, we do live in Texas. It's beyond hot outside. This is the perfect length for going out with summer dresses because it's not covering, it's not trapping, and your feet are still somewhat breathing, so it's a perfect combination to the dress, I think.
Yeah, so there's this outfit.
So this last one is going to be what we call the surprise outfit, and I actually think that's the perfect title for this because we all have our comfort go-tos, we have our going out outfits, but we always have that one outfit that nobody expects of the style or genre that we wear. And so it's a surprise piece that we have in the closet. And it gives us an opportunity to refresh our look, but it's still within our comfort and boundary. And I think that's perfect. You got comfort with a cute denim. It could be either a denim jacket or in this case, this is a denim button down. You got a little bit of pop in color with the pattern. And then you got pop of color and pattern texture with the ankle booties.
I think it's like I normally wouldn't, like this is definitely out of my comfort zone. This is, I would say to me, kind of like I would consider it an edgy sort of style. Just in a way, like it's edgy but kind of basic in a way. Like,
because it fits everything.
Yeah, I feel like it's easy for anyone to wear, but yet like you're spicing it up with throwing that little like pattern in it, and then the like extra edginess or like, hey, look at me, or not necessarily look at me, but that extra like
look at her outfit,
look
attraction.
Yeah, like the heels is what is gonna be like, okay, this is my twist on it. Yes, perfect description for this. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I wanted to just kind of like wrap it up by saying, obviously fashion and style means something different to everyone, and I thought this was like a really fun experiment and thing to do, to see your twist on what fashion means to you, but taking things in my closet and turning it into something of what it means to you. So like, what would you say, like in a like kind of like brief description, what is like fashion to you?
Fashion to me, it's very eye-opening for everyone. It's not, there's no right or wrong way to do something, to pair it. You know, if somebody wants to wear a dress with sneakers, it's not wrong to say if somebody else wants to wear a dress with boots. Fashion is for everyone, anyone. Be bold, be beautiful, be you. And that's what it is to me in a nutshell, I think.
Yeah, and I would say for me, style is literally, I say it is you, because style is that like one direct way to show who you are in your clothes. Like your outfits and your style can say so much about you, and like it is a very like subjective thing. Like for example, like literally in this video, some of these outfits would be something that maybe you would feel so confident wearing, and that's you, but to me, I might not be as confident wearing that, or it might not necessarily be something I'm into or my style. So it's literally different for everyone, but it's just the perfect way to show who you are through clothes. And it's literally like you can do it in so many different ways. But so I want to know, y'all definitely go ahead and comment down below what fashion means to you, because we would love to know. I want to know like everybody's different like opinions and perspectives on it. But if you want more of this content, definitely make sure to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you want more fashion and lifestyle content, follow me on Instagram at Allanna_Cuellar. Do you want to plug anything?
I just want to say I had a blast with this. Hope to do more videos like this. If you liked what we did, please give a thumbs up. Follow this girl. And hopefully, you know, we did something for you guys that you liked and enjoyed. I know I did and she did. And it was just a blast. And hope to see you guys soon. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Y'all are all beautiful. Don't ever let anybody tell you any different.
Amen. But I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.